Once again, your runners-up, the TNT Total 5G. At this point, we'd like to request Commissioner Willie Marshall and Chairman Ricky Vargas to stay on stage as we now welcome the champions of the 50th season PBA Commissioner's Cup, your Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Number 1, Troy Rosario. Number 2, Jeremiah Gray. Number 4, RJ Avalentos. Number 9, Scotty Thompson. Number 10, John R. Spiegel. Number 11, Isaac Ho. Number 13, Stephen Holt. Number 18, Ralph Koo. Number 22, John Abies. Number 23, Raymond Aguilar. Number 24, Jason David. Number 25, Chapet Aguilar. Number 29, Norbert Torres. Number 33, Kembar Carino. Number 34, Sonny Estiel. And number 32, Justin Lloyd P. Brownlee. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel is coached by head coach Tim Cohen with assistant coaches Richard Del Rosario, Olsen Racela, Patrick Partosa, Johnny Barrientos, and Jamil Lipay. Assistant team manager is Mr. Raymond Rodriguez, and team governor is PBA Vice Chairman Mr. Al Francis Chua. Muli mga ka-PBA, mga ka-barangay, your champions, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel! Of course, hindi natin palalampasin ang pagkakataong ito na makarinig mula mismo sa mga kampiyon. And first up, we'll hear from the winningest coach in PBA history. Give it up for Coach